As you see the title, I don't watch this recipe before. This one will be like the one you don't fair wash. I don't know what you think. Hello lovers of good things, welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so we did Facebook, we still did YouTube, so you can go and check us out if you love real things, if you like normal things, not be strange thing. My name is Ladyzion Sweethome. We are here for a healthy community. You hear us? So everything wey they bring out for here e dey real. Now things where you go see buy from market, things where not go hard you to buy if you want prepare your recipe. Children don't start school, I say as a mother I don't dey use this thing and very good and active and is working so good. I say if I not bring her come out waiting again, no, that's okay, make I carry her come out. So as a mother we need waiting go relax our brain, we go relax this our head, we go make our skin they blink like stars. Yes, so I know say now there's some of now where they this Facebook, and I know they like reading, and I know they like normal thing. Imagine normal human being go they watch strange thing. I beg, I don't want to pull my mouth for waiting or concern me, but when I say now waiting or concern person, I say they grow for this Facebook. As we dey here, we not interfere, so I just say make I throw this one for now. Now when they find strange video, when I want watch, when I go they find where they use eyes to do barbecue, where they go use froggy do barbecue, where they go use okra cook noodles or indomie. Hey, now wow, kere this recipe when I carry come is very active, I don't beg you may you watch out. If you like, go look my followers. Me you can't say because of that one waiting go help you, waiting go help your life, waiting go make your body come the way you want them. You know one wash or share or like them because say we never be. If you born picking, you go wait, you go come learn this one, go come learn this one. So we are coming and we'll still be bringing good things, healthy things that will help you. Read video where you go watch, you know go see where they journal, where they cut and throw away, where they put 10 maggi con cotton. Like I go tell you one thing, don't say when I did this social media, forget say I never grow, but I know much of it. Yes, so some things when people they bring command for social media, they're not they eat oh my god, it never shock you. Say sometimes you go see recipe for. See, I know say I forget waiting I bring come here as in because I know say na eye they take they look and we go they use ear they enjoy the gist. Yes, they wash am, put your eye where me you know how I take make am, so you go try am. So make I continue with my gist. So it never shock you. Say sometimes you go see some recipe, you will go try am for house. Their own color, the way it go come out, it go fine, you go want even eat am from the screen. But if you make am, you know go come out. Like, it never shock you like that. But you know go know, you know go learn, you know go understand. If you see the one where they go show you where when you go even see the things. And what they bad for me, some people when they Ewokabwa me say where you go there, you know go even see things when they take prepare that recipe. They write comment where I foresee this thing, where I foresee where another person do one the way you go take understand that and the things where they take do and you go see and buy, you know go want watch those things. Normal people when like strange video. Una do, I hail una, I greet una. I know say make you not believe because you say you don't try and I know say you when they watch this video, you don't try and say you the recipe you go try and for heart, you know come out the way it's supposed to be. See, many things where they do for social media. Believe it at your own risk. Believe it at your own risk. That's why I talk and read. So if you enjoy this video, you'll see me. See as I don't take coffee. This will not be food where person go do finish, you know go eat am, or recipe where you go create finish, you know go use them. Like this one, and you see me. I just suffer they enjoy myself. The way you see and say yes now, picking clean, like see and everything they well. Like I beg. God to create some people, but God create some people, but they don't want to use their hand maintainer. Yes, so see as I don't drop picking for school, I just have recall as can do this recipe. You know they had everything in your kitchen. Just do one, drink and finish. After 30 minutes, take what you want take, like maybe you want take a biscuit, you want at least at first. Take this one, you leave and may cool down some. Not just carry this one and finish. You just they carry bread, just they chop. Then not be tea where they take drink eat bread. So you go leave them. Make it work, you understand, make it wash that belly. Like when you go ease yourself, you go see how these things they work. Like see as I don't take and finish, I also relax myself for this my kitchen. After 30 minutes I take some breakfast, you know. So that's how I say I'm more say I just the enjoy the taste not bad at all, you know bad. So if you be person when not like something when today somehow now make I put that orange because I don't need strong taste. Like I not just need that strong taste today. No say or lemon or lime. Not be waiting I dey like to take every day. You know say this recipe needs something like that. So you feed a mix am with lemon or lime. You know, and if you dey Nigerian and lime. So now so we see the matter. Oh, see I just have to take my tea finish. You see all those Lipton. So I get so many type of Lipton. I just use the one of my choice because as I talk, I don't need that. Some of those Lipton, they get strong smell way. So guys, I gonna leave this my gist for another day. If you want to hear gist, come to this page. You will enjoy yourself, and please don't forget to like, share, and follow. Yes, I not beg you, but if you know wetin go help you, try to share am. Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Beautiful home, cooking and lifestyle. These are more we do. Let's go, ladies.